guys, so welcome to episode number whatever this is. Number 5? Yeah, number 5. So this is planning part, or no, this is pattern part 2. Actually this one is going to be called pattern slash planning. So this episode is going to be a little bit different. So as you guys know, in the last episode I had a lot of trouble getting the fabric that I needed for this. I ordered it a couple different times and it didn't get here and stuff like that. So I finally, today is the 25th, I believe, what day is it? Hold on. I don't even know what day it is anymore. The 25th. Yeah, today's April 25th. So my plan right now is to go get the fabric. I did a pickup at Joann Fabric. Now, Joann Fabric isn't probably what I'm going to actually be using for this jacket. I don't know. I need to just get some samples. Like, when everything opens back up, that's when I'll go back. But, because I don't know, what kind of fabric I'm getting myself into at this website, this other website that I've been using. So, I want to see... I don't know. I have a lot of things to do. But why did I buy a marker when I could have used the markers that I had here? Oh, yeah, because I don't have the right colors. Anyway, so I bought that, and I bought a marker. And so essentially what I'm going to be doing is kind of seeing how much fabric I'm going to... Well, I know how much fabric I'm going to have to use. But how many studs and how many stuff like that. Like rhinestones and... how much lighting I'm gonna need and all that stuff. Gonna see how much that I'm gonna need. So what I'm gonna essentially be doing is, taking a marker that I bought, which has it's got these markers that I have. By the way, I had to get ice blue color for the fabric, so I don't know where that cap's been. But it's got a little skinnier tip. I might actually end up using this as well. But it's got a little bit skinnier tip than that. As well as a thicker tip. So with the thicker tip, I'm going to draw the squares out. Hopefully it'll work out. And then with the thinner tip, what I'll do is I'll just do the little dots for the rhinestones and stuff. So that's going to be that. In the next clip, hopefully it'll be me going to get the fabric and everything. And then hopefully by the time this day is done, the 25th, hopefully by the time the day is done, I will have some kind of semblance of how much this jacket's going to cost. So I do have a couple other ideas for jackets that I want to get. And I actually like that this fabric that I got is just cheap fabric. And what I'm going to end up doing is probably that's how I'm going to end up doing these jackets, is kind of figuring out how much it's going to cost by doing the pattern and stuff like that. And then it'll kind of give me a little bit if I want to sell these in the future, which I do want to sell these. I have so many ideas for jackets. So if you guys need a custom jacket or something, I have a bunch of ideas that I want to do. I need to kind of build my portfolio. I need to kind of build my portfolio first, but I do have a bunch of ideas for jackets. So and hoodies and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but hopefully the next clip is me getting the fabric. If not, I'm gonna cry. So god dang it. So, an update to yesterday's clip where I said I was going to get fabric. Well, I ordered the fabric and it wasn't in stock apparently. So they're doing orders kind of, I guess, the way they get them apparently. So I did my order yesterday around, like I said, 11 o'clock I think yesterday. Let me see. Let me go back through the E's mails. 11, okay, 24 hours ago. So right? Yeah, 11:16 a.m. So literally I ordered another order 24 hours later. So it said my stuff was ready at 7 a.m. this morning. So I don't know if it's going to be another 12 plus hour ordeal, if I'm going to, I'm not going to get my stuff until I get the order oh, I just got an email though. So maybe, oh no. I'm going to say maybe I just got an email saying that because okay, there we go. Joann, we're getting your order ready. Our team members, blah, blah, blah. And I ordered a white fabric this time. And it's silky. I don't even know. I legitimately went and found the cheapest fabric, because like I said, this fabric for this part of the jacket is just literally going to be kind of me planning it out. So this is going to be planning the pattern part 2 / planning. So yeah, I don't know how that's going to go. So I'm just waiting now. I'm going to go have some like yogurt or something because I'm freaking starving. Or a biscuit. No, I don't want to make a biscuit because I have to heat it up and then. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. I guess if we get an update, we get an update. If we don't, I guess we'll go tomorrow. But I don't know, guys. It's kind of making me, and I know, I honestly know. So I know, so I know. If I tell my mom like, hey, I didn't get my fabric today, she's gonna be like, well, I guess you should just make this jacket. But we're making this jacket. I have so many ideas for other jackets, and I do 110% believe that if everything wasn't going on in the world right now, I believe 2 things. 1, I wouldn't have a problem getting fabric, and 2, I don't think that we would be this far in the jacket. I honestly probably still would be procrastinating on cutting the pattern out, but with all the time stuff that we have on our hands, it's just easier to do it. So, or it's not, so with all the time we have on our hands, we're getting it done. And I was talking to Kevin, my cousin Kevin, he's like, well, damn, you might be able to get a couple jackets done in this time, and like, that's the truth. But like I said, I have a bunch of ideas for videos and stuff like that. I have a bunch of ideas for jackets. The next one that I want to do, I have a really good idea for that one. And then I just have other ideas that I want to do, and I want to sell these. Like, I know that there's a lot of wrestling fans out there, us like who do cosplay, and like I feel like I could give them an alternative, not an alternative. I feel like I could give them kind of TV accurate versions of what they want to wear. Like, I was thinking last night, like, the Cody Rhodes or Goldust robes that Goldust, yeah. I was thinking last night, like, Goldust robes that he used to wear. Like, I think that'd be really fun to make. So maybe, like, that'll be our next project, is, like, making that. I know Nick Dust, a good buddy of mine, he would probably love to have a Goldust robe, like, an actual, like, legit-looking one. But yeah, guys, I don't know. This is just crazy that I'm hoping and praying and hoping. Like, literally, guys, the emails came literally 24 hours apart. Holy cannoli, that's funny. Like, right? Okay, so 11:16. I got this at 11:16. Right? Look. Okay, ready? So that email is from 11:16. Right? Okay, and then this one yesterday. Ready? Ready? Yesterday at 11:16. What are the odds? Like, I didn't even plan that. I just literally did not even... That's so funny to me. Oh, gosh. I love my life sometimes. I love how weird things like that work out. Alright, guys. So we have run into a problem with this jacket. So the material that I bought, I tried cutting a little bit of stuff out. But, as you can kind of see, this is not where I cut. But as you can see, this is all, like, uneven and just unragged. And I'm like 90% sure that they did not give me 2 yards. So unless I did it wrong and I just mismeasured on how much I needed, they definitely did not give me 2 yards of fabric like they were supposed to. So, like, I don't know, like, I kind of low-key want to get some more fabric just to see if it'll work, like a different fabric. But, like, I just feel like, I understand they're in a little bit of a rush. So they probably, like, literally seen that I had the order, and they just went all jagged and disgusting, like, but it just makes me mad, because, like, I was really hoping to use this fabric, for, like, to help. And I just feel like maybe the pattern, the jacket is actually going to be too big now. I gotta see, like, I'm gonna try to cut out the back. That's what I'm gonna do, like, in a few minutes, is try to cut out the back and see how big the back is gonna be with this. And if it looks like it's gonna be way too big, I'm probably just gonna buy another pattern and get a smaller size, and maybe just re-look into getting the actual different pattern. So we're definitely coming into a lot of different problems with this jacket, more than I expected, but hey, it happens. What can you say? So I'm gonna see if I can get the back cut out now. Alright, so that's the back. Now, it looks... Okay, so here's the thing. It looks small, but it also looks... it looks short. That's the thing. So I think what I'm going to end up having to do is... Well, I guess it is short, because, like, in the thing, you actually... They have a thing at the bottom. So, what I'm going to do... So, and also, this part over here, I did that on accident. That was a mess up. Like I said, this isn't actually going to be part of the jacket. This is kind of just, like, to see what it's going to look like and see how much of everything I'm going to need. So, I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to put the sleeve on it now. Like, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, yeah. So, that looks... It looks weird, but I think this is going to work, you guys. I think... Okay, so, like I said, I had... This is just, like, a little tester. So, I do think I'm going to try to buy another 2 yards of fabric just to see, just to make sure, because, like, I just feel that this is going to not, like, I know that they did not give me the 2 yards that I ordered. There was so, and I should have showed you guys so that I had video evidence of it, but I didn't. It was something that I forgot to do. I think this is gonna work. Like I said, I do need to maybe get 2 more yards of fabric just to test it out to see if it'll work. Even if I think I might have to go to the other Joann Fabrics, or like find a fabric store online. The fabric store that I was using is all like, literally, it's weird. It's like, is my air not on? It's hot in here. It's literally they're just running out of stuff because everybody's trying to make masks right now, which I understand that. I get it, but so yeah, I get it. I get it now. I think this is gonna work. I just got to do the cutting right, and I think so. What I'm gonna do is I am going to okay, I think this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna figure that out, figure out the material that I need to get, and maybe actually buy like maybe the interfacing for it, because it's gonna have to have interfacing on it. So I think what tomorrow we're gonna do, or maybe Tuesday, we're gonna do the planning part 2 of this, where we're gonna kind of plan everything out with it. Like I said, this jacket isn't gonna come together overnight, and I kind of wanted it to, but I also kind of didn't expect it to. So, you know, catch-22 type of deal. But yeah, I am going to go figure some stuff out, and I will see you guys in the next clip. All right, so I did a little bit of research on the pattern, and it comes with instructions, and it comes with how to put it together guide, all that good stuff. So I think I'm gonna buy the one that I said has like the little seam, just because I like that a little bit better. If I like it's an investment for sure, and like, if you know, I could maybe make another jacket out of it. I could make a million jackets out of it, I guess, if I really wanted to. But like, I enjoy that it comes with every size, because if it didn't come with every size, then there would be no way I would do it. And then that way, like, it's easier for me if I wanted to sell these. So say, you know, someone wants to buy this down the road, like buy a jacket, they're like, oh, but because I think I'm going to go with an extra large. I'm going to see what it looks like when I'm done cutting it out, but because I can always take off the extra large to do a large. But what I'm gonna do is like see what it says, and if some, you know, like, if I think it's gonna be an extra large, but say someone down the road was like, hey, can you make me one of these, but I want a medium or a small? I'll be like, yeah, of course, you know, print the pattern out, and bada bing, bada boom, here we go. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, because I just kind of want to relax. I don't want to work on this anymore tonight, and I need to get this started editing tomorrow. So I think, actually, I don't think I'm gonna relax. I think I'm gonna clean my living room up and then do some stuff there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. What is going on, guys? I think I'm gonna buy a different pattern. That was what I said in the last clip, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I have 2 in mind. I'm going to ask Haley, and then I'm gonna see what she says, because I'm looking at 2 different ones, and I really like one of them for one reason, but I like the other one for another reason. So like, I don't know. It's like very I don't know, guys. It's just very difficult. I think I'm gonna go with the second one, just because it's more like detailed and it has directions. The other one doesn't, which kind of makes me mad. But Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one that I'm looking at right now. I don't know, can you see it in my glasses? No, you can't really. But yeah, I'm gonna probably I hate myself sometimes. But I just want this to be the best that it can be, and I really enjoy this one. I like the way that this one looks a lot better than the one that I bought, the pattern that I have, and I just think like I don't know, and plus this one is like all different sizes, so like and I can keep it and I can download it. 1,316 people have bought it. Let's see how many people have bought this one. 2,000. Okay, so I kind of would like to go with the one that's more. But so here's the thing. The one that I'm looking at, it's a jacket with a high neck, and I know Jericho has had high neck ones as well. But this other one has more directions, and it's got the little seam right here where you would zip it up. So I like that one a little bit better because I was thinking like, oh, I could put some rhinestones in there, and if I zipped it up, you wouldn't be able to see them. And I'm just looking right now like at it to see like, I wish there was another picture so I could like kind of, I don't know. But yeah, I like this one a lot better. I like them both. I wish there was a way that I could like buy them both and kind of combine them both into one, but I mean, I guess I could make the neck a little bit higher. I like this other one though because it shows you how to put it together. Like when I first downloaded this thing, like it had no directions whatsoever, but this one does, like to put it together, but it doesn't have directions on how to put it together, which is weird. And it like I don't know, it's just I don't know, guys. I'm just looking at it right now and just seeing what it says. So this so this is sleeve. And it doesn't really give you the thing that it doesn't do is it doesn't give me the size. It doesn't give me the I had a couple of these things on it, but it does. So like I don't know. Like I might end up buying both of them. It'll be one's $10, the other like 7. So if I buy both of them, I buy both of them. If I buy one, I buy one. I don't know. I do not know. I do not know. I'm just trying to figure it out. Add to cart. Oh, you can buy them separately? That's cool. Who knew? Huh. I'm gonna look into this a little bit more. So I do. Oh, baby, we zoomed in.